Today, the rich, robust flavor of ripe tomatoes has nearly disappeared, replaced by bland, lifeless ones. To produce the finest tomato-based seasonings, large farms carry out their growing and harvesting journeys every year, each season bringing hopes for a bountiful crop. Every spring, they start growing tomato seedlings by placing 2 tiny seeds in each cell of a tray, covering them with treated soil. Within a week, cotyledons sprout, and after 6 to 8 weeks, they reach about 20 millimeters. The seedlings are then loaded onto transplanting trucks, separated, and planted in rows with 40 centimeter spacing. Being herbaceous plants, tomatoes can be either annual or perennial, and the farm chooses varieties based on their use. After planting, workers irrigate and fertilize the seedlings using drip irrigation and spray pesticides as soon as pests appear. After about 2 months in the field, the tomatoes enter the flowering stage, with machines shaking the flowers to aid pollination. Successfully pollinated tomatoes are ready to harvest in roughly 50 days. During harvest, the plants are covered in bright red fruits, which can be separated with a gentle shake. Each moo of land can yield over 10 tons. Harvesters collect the entire plant along with the fruits, which are then separated. This rough method does not affect sales, as the tomatoes will be processed, and any bruising does not matter. To prevent spoilage, the tomatoes must reach the processing plant within 6 hours. The harvest time is recorded, and tomatoes are processed accordingly. These piles of tomatoes are destined for Italian tomato sauce. After multiple rounds of cleaning to remove leaves, mud, and unripe or damaged tomatoes, the tomatoes proceed to processing. They pass through a steam oven, which peels them, and workers manually handle any unpeeled or sensor-overlooked tomatoes. The tomatoes are either canned directly or steamed and crushed for sauce. Basil leaves are added to the cooled sauce for extra flavor. Thus, a can of Italian tomato sauce is complete. Most ripe tomatoes on the market are in cans, as transporting fresh, ripe tomatoes long distances isn't practical. This choice balances flavor, quality, and economic benefits, usually favoring the latter. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.